Hello guys! Welcome back to Cryptorial with Anne. So today is January 12, 2025, Sunday. Time check 4:38. And yes, sabi ko kanina sa last video ko, I might do a chart for Doge. Ito na nga. So Doge is one of my part of my watch list coin kasi very popular siya. Maraming nag-aantay kay Doge if we're going to break or if we're going to the $1 level. So currently, Doge is trading at 0.33. So I'm using TradingView, and as we can see, meron tayong ginawang pattern dito or nagplot tayo. And this pattern, this is called, if I'm not mistaken, correct me if I'm wrong, kung sino man dito yung may alam or very professional when it comes to trading, symmetrical triangle. So we might go up, we might break the resistance, or we break the support. So ang support natin dito, major support, I think kung magdo-double bottom tayo, we might go back to 0.25. If not, if we break this level, 0.39, around 0.40, let's just say be conservative, 0.38, 40, then there's a big chance that we will have another level, or we'll try to, to test this level, 0.50 actually. Let's just say around, yung psychological level kasi yung 0.50 guys eh. So, we might, pero hindi natin talaga malalaman. Kasi again, we are waiting. There's a big event coming on January 20th kasi yung inauguration ni Trump. So, let's go with other indicators. Saan ba talaga papunta? Hopefully, lang yan, consolidate tayo sa area ng 0.33, 38 level, and then we break that triangle line. Okay? Pataas. So, let's go with